Hi students, welcome to first year commerce class. In our previous class we have discussed about the problems faced by MSME in India. We have learnt that MSMEs are not getting proper bank loans, they are struggling with poor infrastructure, they do not have proper marketing distribution channels, and they do not have advanced technology. They are not able to face competition from multinational companies. So because of these problems they are struggling. So in general, what you have to do when a person or any system is struggling, you have to encourage or suppress. Suppose in a class, if a student is struggling to understand and learn, in general, what do? We encourage by giving some priority. Okay, we make the student sit in first bench, we focus on that student, we ask the other fellow students to provide notes, we repeat the explanation. We will see that student also will get marks on par with the other students. Okay, when it is required, result is very much required. So we focus. As you know that in the context of Indian economy, MSMEs play a major role in increasing our exports, our contribution towards our economic growth in terms of employment generation. MSMEs have got a great role to play. So it is a responsibility of the government to protect and to encourage MSME sector in India, because we have got so many benefits from MSME sector. That is the reason the state and central governments are giving lot of privileges to this MSME sector. What is a privilege? I hope you understand this. It is a common English word. Privilege means priority, some sort of importance. It's called as privilege. Like say for example, on dais, 3-4 chairs are there. When principal comes onto the dais, what we do? We stand up and we provide a seat to that dignity. Because he is an elderly person, his position is superior to us, so naturally we provide him the seat. We don't fight for chair or we don't snatch from him, because he is an important person to the college or the school, so we give him some respect. So that is what called as privilege. Some importance is given. Similarly, in India also, at the state level and at the central level, governments are protecting the MSMEs. They are trying to develop MSMEs by giving certain privileges. So let us understand what are the privileges given by government to these MSMEs. First one, exclusive manufacturing of certain products by MSMEs. Exclusive manufacturing means it is just a sort of reservation. The government will say that so and so product should be manufactured only by MSME, not other companies. It means what? You are reserving certain products to this MSME, so naturally they will have opportunity to get profit, to sell the product. Like we reserve a seat in bus or train, no others will be sitting. Means you are benefited or not. Similarly, in the market, suppose if every company is allowed to manufacture the goods, so in the previous class we have learnt that MSMEs are not able to face the competition with MNCs, multinational companies. So multinational company is able to sell the product, whereas MSME is struggling to sell the product. Because when we compare, MNC may have upper edge, it will have advantage. MSME product may be little bit inferior because of the technology we have adopted. So MSMEs are struggling to sell the product. They are not receiving demand for their products. So in order to avoid that, what the government is doing, it is reserving certain products. Yes, these markers are to be produced by MSME only, not other companies. So naturally MSME will get demand for the markers, na? So that is what the government has done. First of all, it has reserved certain products to MSMEs. Means MSME वाले ही manufacture करना वो goods, दूसरे companies नहीं कर सकते. Next, space allocation. Normally, you see, when you observe the common phenomena for industrial establishment, the major problem is of land. Okay. Majority of the investment will go for acquisition of land only whenever you take up any project. Okay. So generally, as MSMEs are struggling for capital, it is very difficult to get place in a developed area. When government is having some industrial area like special economic zone or export processing zones where you learn in second year. So we have got so many industrial parks. Government has developed that. Through Telangana State Industrial Infrastructure Corporation, Government of Telangana or Government of Andhra Pradesh or any state will develop certain industrial parks, industrial estates, where different industries will come and they establish their units over there, their enterprises over there. So, we need to get some space in that area so that we can establish our factory, we can establish our manufacturing unit. So if big companies are there, large public limited companies or multinational companies are there, they can afford the price, they pay the money, they can buy. But MSMEs are not economically strong, so they cannot compete with those companies in paying the price for the land. So government has to provide land at cheaper rate. In that industrial park, MSMEs must be given some space so that they can establish their firm over there. So that is the reason government is giving privilege to these MSMEs in allocation of space, means providing the land. Next, timely payment for goods and services. Generally, I told you in my previous class that many business organizations, including schools and colleges, are sometimes struggling, getting closed because we are not getting the revenue on time. Like I told the other day, very good example. We are giving the education, but students are not paying the fees. So naturally, college management will struggle. How they have to pay salaries, how they have to pay rent to the building. They have to manage all expenses. Then only then they can maintain the college. So what's happening here? Students are delaying the payment. So naturally, college will struggle. They have to borrow money from banks. They have to borrow money from friends. Pay interest. So it is a heavy financial burden. So that is forcing certain managements to close down their business. It happened in the past, it is still happening, not only for colleges, for various business organizations. When the customers who have taken the goods, who have availed the services, do not pay the money on time, so naturally the businessmen will struggle. So in order to avoid that, Government of India has given certain provisions. In MSME Act, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Act is there. In that, certain provisions are made where the person who has taken goods or who has availed services from MSME has to make the payment on time. Another protection is interest for delayed payment by the buyer. So any individual who has taken goods from MSME has delayed the payment. So for the delayed period, he has to pay interest. This provision was not there in the previous acts. So it was included in the MSME Act where, say for example, a customer has purchased goods in the month of September 2020. Okay, September 2020 he has purchased the goods. He promised to pay the money on October 15th. Okay, he promised to make the payment on October 15th, but he has not paid. So, suppose he has delayed from October 15th to December 31st, 2020. So for this duration, okay, October 15 to October 30, 16 days, plus November 30 days, plus December 31 days. So 61, 67, 77 days. For 77 days, he has to pay interest. At certain rate, we will calculate interest. So we will collect from our debtor. The person who is due to the firm is called as debtor. So any customer who has taken the goods, promised to pay money on a certain date, but not paid, troubling us to give the money. So if he has delayed, like many times you see, sometimes you might have seen in your 10th class or somewhere else, government will collect fine if you delay the examination fees payment. Even colleges also impose fine if you cross the deadline, okay, of making the fees payment. So here also the government has given the provision that if any customer after taking the goods has delayed, he has to pay the interest. So for the delayed period, normally we give some certain credit period, 15 days, 1 month. Every business organization, every trader will give you certain time limit, like 15 days time, 20 days time, 1 month time is given. But after that also, if you don't turn up to pay, if you delay the payment, naturally for the delayed period, MSMEs are authorized to collect interest from the customer. Next, strong support and encouragement from government. This is very much required. Government has to safeguard these MSMEs because it is very much required for the Indian society. So in what way government is encouraging? It is giving lot of incentives in providing loans at lower rate of interest, giving power at concession rates, electricity concession, water supply at reduced rates or at free of cost. Okay, then certain tax exemptions, providing land at cheaper rate. Like that, by giving various incentives, government is continuously encouraging the MSME sector and it is supporting also by making various favorable laws, okay, according to the requirements of MSMEs. Next, reference of disputes. As you know that whenever we are managing a business organization, there may arise so many disputes with respect to supply of raw material, with respect to labor, some court cases, like that so many disputes may arise between you and the others over the payment of dues, over increasing the wages of laborers, over acquiring machinery from a foreign country. Like that so many disputes may arise sometimes, not always. So whenever the disputes are arised, how to solve? See, if any organization thrown into dispute, it will struggle, it can't survive, it may close down. Okay, jhagde hai to business band ho jata. So it is the responsibility of the government to reduce those disputes, to resolve those disputes. So for that purpose, Government of India has established a MSME Council, okay, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Council. So whenever any dispute arises between different organizations, different entrepreneurs, that will be referred to the council, which will act as a court and will try to resolve the matter so that all the MSMEs will work in a friendly, okay, and smooth atmosphere.